y'all. Today we are making asparagus soup. This is my take of the Vitamix cream of asparagus recipe. So a little bit of a rip-off, but that's okay. So what I got here is a pound and change of steamed asparagus, and in they go, into the blender. Blender will do the work. 1 1/2 cups of chicken stock, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and cayenne pepper. Now you're going to put the lid on and hit the soup function button, or if you don't have that but you still got a good blender, hit high for 5 minutes and that should heat the soup up. Now if you don't have a good blender, you can blend the asparagus and put it on a stove top and cook it slowly and do it that way, and it should be fine. Now put your blender on low, open the little blowhole, and you're going to slowly pour 1/2 cup of cream through the blowhole. Now, top back up, hit it on high for about 10 seconds. Now pour it out so you can serve that mess. Doesn't that look good? Now, throw in an asparagus or two, a sprinkle of parmesan, and why not, some black pepper. Now, enjoy this soup. Cheers. Good soup.